What's up, guys? I have another Shopee package from Shopee. Here is the ayan, it's Shopee. Okay, unbox natin ito. This one is a coffee maker. Binili ko ng 8,000. So let's open this one. Open it. Tingnan natin. Oh, maganda. For sure, maganda ito. This one is this is Shopee. Ayan. Beautiful. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Wow. This is a beauty. Okay. Look at this one. Guys, ayaw bigay, guys. This is it. Okay. This is it. This one is a Hebrew espresso coffee maker. Arena H3. Beautiful. Let's open this one. Here is the beauty of. Okay. Well packed. Tingnan nyo, guys. Dito, guys. Pakita mo dito, guys. See. Well packed. Ganyan yan. Well packed. Okay. Ayaw, ibigay. Okay. Kunin na natin ito. Let's bring this out. Wow! Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful girl. Oh, amazing. Hebrew. Nice. Let's unbox natin. Kunin natin. Beautiful. It's a brand new coffee maker.
Battery, low battery.
Oh, okay lang yan.
Low power mode.
It's okay.
Close naman.
Masirado na? Wala po eh.
Oh? Ano naman oh?
Okay naman. Oh, balik. Tulian ko lang. Okay. Padayon ba to?
Ayun.
Tara! Wow! Brand new, ladies and gentlemen. It's a brand new. Beautiful. Look at this. It's well taped here, oh. Beautiful. Dati yung isa kong ganito, hindi ganito pagkapakwa, no? Kani kay guwapo gyud eh. Ganda. Let's see what's this inside here. Whoa. sa mga...
Ito muna kay Jipon to ka na.
Oh, no? Yan, walang basag.
Wala man.
Very good. See? Okay, good. Ito para sa espresso. Ito naman for the mga barako, mga powder. Nice. Nice. Ito sa barako. Ayan. Ay, hindi. I forgot this one. Ito pala ata ito. Ayan. Ay, hindi. Di, pangit din. Okay. Ayan ito. Ayan, complete accessories. Okay. Well packed talaga. This one para sa barako kung ma-powder like that. This one is the pump dito. First of all, pagkaalam ko dito is ito, mag-pump ka dito. Ito. Pump mo muna, lagyan mo ng water. Okay, so lagyan mo ng water dito. Lagyan mo ng water before you use this one. Just pump mo like that. Pump like that. 3 times. 3 times pump. Anyway, tapos dito yung water. Okay. Anyway, ito lahat guys. Ito po yung Hebrew Carina H3 coffee maker. Espresso, tapos yung ito. Anyway, dito lahat ang mga instructions niya. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much and pleasant good evening.